Hello and welcome to this SRDR Plus training video. My name is Brian Smith and I'm the administrator for SRDR Plus. In this video, I will demonstrate how to add and manage study extractions on the extractions page of your SRDR Plus project. This step is necessary for members of your project team to begin extracting study data into your project's extraction form for each included study in your project. We will cover in this video creating and assigning extractions, reassigning extractions, and managing extractions after they've been added to the extractions page of your project. So let's begin. First, we will log into SRDR Plus using our SRDR Plus username and password. Remember, after logging into SRDR Plus, you will automatically be forwarded to the My Projects page. Next, on the My Projects page, either search for or navigate to your project. Then, under the title of the project, click on the Extractions link. This will forward you to your project's extractions page. To add one or more extractions to your project, at the top left corner of the extractions page, click the Create Extraction button. Doing so will take you to the new extractions page. Note, when creating an extraction, you will need to first select an individual project team member to complete the extraction, and second, select the citation that you will assign to the project team member as an extraction for them to complete. To complete the first step of this process, click on the field labeled Select User. And from the drop-down menu, select and click on the SRDR Plus username of the team member you want to assign to the extraction or extractions. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will assign these extractions to my project team member whose username is Contributor. And I'll do so by clicking on his username. Like that. Next, in the field labeled Select Citation, click on the field and select from the drop-down menu the citation that you want to be extracted by the team member. Like this one, by author Sarli B. Click on the citation, and you will notice that it has been added to the field. To assign another citation to the same team member, again, click on Select Citation field, and click on the citation that you want to add. Like that. It is also added to the field. Note, you can add as many citations as you'd like using this process. Next, to complete adding these extractions to your project, click the Create Extraction button at the bottom left of the page. Doing so, we now see that both extractions have been added to the extractions page of your project. So now, what if I wanted to reassign an extraction on this page to a different team member? Note that only project leads have this privilege. For example, reassigning this citation to myself instead of Contributor. To do so, I need only click on the assigned user of this extraction, and in the resulting drop-down menu, click on the SRDR Plus username of the team member I want to reassign this extraction to. That being me, I will select my SRDR Plus username, BryantAdmin, from the drop-down menu, and click on my username. Notice the extraction now shows me as the assigned user. In terms of managing the study extractions on the extractions page of your project, the progress bar, located to the right of each extraction, allows you to see how far into each extraction your team members are. To learn the sections that remain incomplete in a particular extraction, simply rest your mouse pointer on the progress bar of the extraction, like this. Doing so, we see that this extraction is nearly completed. The extractor now needs to complete only the ARB Details tab to be done with this extraction. And you can delete extractions by clicking on the Delete link to the far right of each extraction. But as always, when deleting things, be careful and be very sure that you really want to delete the extraction. And with that, we have completed this video. In this video, we covered creating and assigning extractions, reassigning extractions, and managing extractions after they've been added to the extractions page of your project. In the next video, I'll show you how to export extracted data saved in your project to either a Microsoft Excel worksheet or a Google Sheet. Please, if you have any questions about this video or about SRDR Plus, feel free to email the SRDR team at srdr@ahrq.hhs.gov, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.